up. And I said, oh my goodness, we're about to lose this whole community. And no one seems to care. So I'm sitting here, my head sort of in the streets of Harlem. And then I began to travel around the country. And I saw what was going on in Detroit, in Milwaukee, in Chicago, in South Central. One place to the other. I would go places and I'd be like in Arizona. I said, I know we're not going to find this in Arizona. You could not go to a major center in this country where you didn't find the same thing. Huge numbers of young people, right, not being prepared at all for employment, that communities were literally coming apart, that we began to lose whole cities where people had just written the whole city off, and they had really, when I say written off, they had given up. I would go in there, they'd be like, Jeff, no, you don't want to go in the campus. Just don't even go in the campus. There's nothing you can do. I said, what do you mean there's nothing we can do?